Starry-eyed diets, a glimpse into Hollywood plates. We all love a little Hollywood magic. The glitz, the glamour, the allure of the red carpet. It's a world where everything seems perfect, especially when it comes to food and fitness. Shiny smiles, perfect hair, and bodies that seem to defy gravity. Celebrities make it look so effortless, don't they? But behind those flawless appearances are often strict diets and rigorous workout routines. It's easy to get caught up in the glamour, especially when it comes to those picture-perfect figures. We see them enjoying gourmet meals and think, I want that too. But what does it really take to achieve that Hollywood look? Suddenly, we're Googling celebrity diet secrets and dreaming of red carpet transformations. From juice cleanses to keto diets, the internet is flooded with tips and tricks that promise to give us that star-studded physique. But what really happens when we try to live like the stars, at least in the kitchen? Do these diets and recipes actually work for us? Or are they just another Hollywood illusion? Let's dive deeper into the world of celebrity diets and see what it takes to eat like the stars. From vegan to paleo, intermittent fasting to gluten-free, celebrities follow a variety of diets to maintain their figures. Each diet comes with its own set of rules and promises, but are they sustainable for the average person? Nutritionists often weigh in on these diets, highlighting the pros and cons. While some diets may offer quick results, they might not be the healthiest option in the long run. It's important to find a balance that works for your body and lifestyle. And let's not forget the workouts. Celebrities often have personal trainers who tailor fitness routines to their specific needs. These workouts can be intense and time-consuming, but they play a crucial role in achieving those enviable bodies. For us, trying out these celebrity workouts can be a fun challenge, but it's essential to listen to our bodies and not push ourselves too hard. After all, the goal is to be healthy and happy, not just to look like a star. Even celebrities indulge in cheat meals from time to time. It's all about balance and enjoying life. So, while it's inspiring to look up to Hollywood stars, remember that their lifestyle is tailored to their unique needs and resources. In the end, the best diet and fitness routine is one that makes you feel good, both inside and out. So, take a little inspiration from Hollywood, but always stay true to yourself. After all, the real magic lies in living a balanced and fulfilling life. The allure of the red carpet glow. Imagine this. You're scrolling through social media and bam! Your favorite actress pops up, glowing, radiant, and crediting her new plant-based diet for her incredible energy. You think, if it works for her, maybe it can work for me too. We've all been there, the desire for that extra pep in our step, that inner glow, it's tempting. Beyoncé's vegan voyage, a month-long dive. For our experiment, we're stepping into the world of veganism, inspired by Queen Bey herself, Beyoncé. Known for her incredible stage presence and dedication to health, Beyoncé has often spoken about the benefits of plant-based eating. Our mission to follow a modified version of her vegan diet plan for 1 month and document the journey. Week 1. A salad symphony and yearnings for pizza. The first week was an explosion of fruits, vegetables, and a surprising amount of tofu. It was a vibrant start to our journey into healthier eating. The kitchen was transformed into a colorful paradise, with every meal looking like a work of art. The sheer variety of produce was both exciting and a bit overwhelming at times. Breakfast smoothies were surprisingly delicious, blending together a mix of fruits, greens, and sometimes even a hint of protein powder. Each morning started with a burst of flavor and energy, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. The combinations were endless, and experimenting with different ingredients became a fun morning ritual. Lunch was a colorful salad adventure, with each day bringing a new mix of greens, vegetables, nuts, and dressings. The crunch of fresh veggies and the burst of flavors from the dressings made each salad unique and enjoyable. It was a far cry from the boring salads of the past, and it felt like a culinary exploration. And dinner involved getting creative with plant-based proteins. From tofu stir-fries to lentil stews, the options were diverse and surprisingly satisfying. Cooking dinner became an exercise in creativity, finding new ways to make plant-based meals both delicious and filling. The challenge was to keep things interesting and avoid falling into a repetitive routine. There were moments of yearning for a cheesy slice of pizza, especially when the aroma of a nearby pizzeria wafted through the air. The craving for that gooey, melty cheese was real, and it took a lot of willpower to resist. But each time, the commitment to our new lifestyle and the benefits we were starting to feel helped us stay strong. but the commitment to channeling inner Beyoncé kept us going. Dancing in the kitchen while preparing meals became a joyful part of the routine. It was a reminder that this journey was not just about eating differently, but about embracing a healthier, more vibrant way of living. The energy and positivity from the music made the process enjoyable and kept our spirits high. Week 2 and 3, the energy surge and the missing cheese grins. As we entered week 2, something amazing happened, a surge of energy. It was as if a switch had been flipped. Suddenly, the lethargy that had plagued us in the afternoons was gone. We felt more alive, more vibrant, and ready to tackle whatever the day threw at us. The afternoon slumps seemed to vanish, replaced with a newfound zest. Tasks that once felt like a chore were now approached with enthusiasm and vigor. It was a refreshing change, one that we all welcomed with open arms. Our diets had shifted significantly, and it was evident in our energy levels. Fresh fruits and vegetables became our go-to snacks, and smoothies were a staple in our daily routine. The natural sugars and nutrients provided a steady stream of energy, unlike the quick highs and crashes we experienced with processed foods. Our skin seemed clearer, brighter even. The changes in our diet were not just internal, they were visible on the outside too. The increase in hydration and reduction in greasy foods had a noticeable impact on our complexion. But we'd be lying if we said we didn't miss the occasional cheesy grin. The comfort of a cheesy dish was something we all longed for. The rich, creamy texture and the savory flavor were hard to forget, that only a good plate of mac and cheese can bring. It was a nostalgic craving, one that reminded us of simpler times. While we enjoyed our newfound energy and clearer skin, the memory of those cheesy delights lingered in the back of our minds. It was a small sacrifice for the greater good, but one that we occasionally reminisced about with fondness. The final week arrived, bringing with it a sense of accomplishment. We did it! A month of plant-powered meals, and you know what? We felt lighter, brighter, and more in tune with our bodies. However, that first bite of grilled salmon after weeks of tofu was a symphony of flavor we won't soon forget. So, what did we learn from our month-long celebrity diet adventure? On the plus side, plant-based eating left us feeling energized and healthy. We discovered a love for lentils we never knew existed, and our vegetable intake skyrocketed. On the flip side, let's just say that cheese holds a special place in our hearts, and sometimes a little indulgence is good for the soul. Remember, what works for a celebrity might not be the perfect fit for everyone. Diets, especially those promoted by celebrities, should always be approached with a healthy dose of caution and the guidance of a healthcare professional. Instead of chasing quick fixes or red carpet ideals, focus on creating a sustainable, healthy lifestyle that brings you joy. Eat your fruits and veggies, move your body, and don't be afraid to enjoy that occasional slice of pizza. After all, life is all about balance, right?